Welcome to your dream life appointment. A session where your dreams are made reality. But before we start, let me just grab my granny's old glasses and put them on so that I can see clearly. This is way better. So tell me, how can I help you in relation to creating and living your soul's next dream? Oh, hello. And excuse my hair. I just wasn't in the mood, to put it nicely, today. So my question relates to that fact that recently I have had these weird emotions or feelings in my body. I have felt this weird tiredness. And I have felt this discomfort in my heart area. And even some slight nausea. And I think I know the deeper reason or the root cause for this. So we don't really have to dig deeper into that. What is up with this string? It seems to be so entangled. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, so I'd love to return back to this dreamlike state. Because in this state that I have been feeling, I truly don't feel empowered to live and create my next dreams. I'd love to feel empowered and inspired and dreamlike again. Oh, I see. Thanks to this granny's old glasses. Luckily I put them on. A disencouraging feeling or emotional state in the way of living your soul's next dream. Sounds kind of familiar. Been there, done that. Like today. But okay, let's transform the situation. May I ask you, what would you love to feel? What is the dream scenario in relation to your feeling or emotional state? Oh, well, I'd love to be feeling peace, love, joy. I'd love to be feeling inspired, uplifted, excited, enthusiastic, so that I feel empowered to create and live my soul's next dreams in the now. And now that I said those words, those feeling states that I desire to feel, I'm actually feeling better already now. This made me feel so much better even just saying these words. Yeah? See how powerful your thoughts are. That when you tapped into these dreamlike feeling states through those words, you started to feel in alignment with those words right away. So those words activated that dreamlike state already now. This got me thinking that I have a perfect practice if you desire to go deeper on this and to further enhance this power of your mind and your words, so that you can truly deeper tap into those dreamlike feeling and emotional states. And this practice is really simple. All you need to do is to say, I am. And then after that, say that dream aligned feeling or emotion that you desire to feel in the now. So let's say, I am peace. I am love. I am joy. I am bliss. I am empowered. I am uplifted. I am inspired, etc. Act as though it's already here, that you are already those states, that you are already feeling those states in the now. Play it out like an actor. Embody the actor within. And imagine that you are those states that you desire to be, that you desire to feel in the now. Okay. I am peace. I am love. I am joy. I am empowered. I am enthusiastic. I am uplifted. I am excited. And my hair is all over my eyes. I just love this practice. It's so simple and so effective. So thank you. This was all I needed at this moment. And my state has already transformed massively. Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. If you'd love to further tap into this reality, this dream reality with me, to be your dream in the now, to think and to feel in alignment with your dream in the now, then I invite you to check out and perhaps join the I Am My Soul Stream Immersion via soultrulyloved.com. You can jump in for a limited time if you desire to attend to this workshop series. Oh, I'd love to join. Count me in. Oh, lovely to hear. I will. And hey, how about you? How would you love to feel? What is the dream-like feeling state, emotional state that you'd love to feel then if this practice resonates with your soul, you can try this out. This I am practice. Saying I am, and then after that dreamlike feeling or emotional state that you desire to experience in the now. Whether it be peace or love or anything else. Feeling empowered or uplifted, inspired, enthusiastic. Use your imagination, your limitless imagination, to come up with a feeling or emotional state that you desire to experience in the now. Do you have some thoughts, darling, that you'd love to share? And hey, if you would love to share that dreamlike feeling or emotional state that you desire to tap into, feel free to share that in the comments down below. Recently, I have been